Meet Mr. Roger, lives in Pasadena, California. Due to delay in public transport, he was being late for office. So, he was planning to buy a used car as it has much lower depreciation value than the brand new one. Scrolling down the internet, he noticed Car Depot, the leading private used car dealership in the USA. He was amazed to know that they have a great stock of best-conditioned, well-maintained used cars on top brands. They have used economic sedans, family-friendly SUVs, trucks and vans in their collection. He was glad to know that they even provide the best possible car loans with low interest rate to all kind of credit holders. So, without wasting his time, he immediately visited their inventory. Their friendly experts helped him to choose the right car best suited his automotive needs, lifestyle and budget. Are you looking for the same? Contact them now by dialing 1-626-469-0034. For more details, visit https://cardepotag.com/.